Welcome. This video will step back and look at how all the bits and pieces of Terra Billing fit together and how you can use them to organize your team's funding. Terra is a browser-based platform built on Google Cloud. Terra helps researchers access cloud computing resources without having to interact with Google directly. Terra does not charge any fees, but you need to pay Google for resources that you use. This video explains how to manage team funding and cloud costs by setting up resources and roles at 3 levels: Terra Workspaces, Terra Billing Projects, and Google Cloud Billing Accounts. Workspaces are where you do all work with a cost in Terra. Since cloud costs are broken out per workspace, workspace permissions can provide fine-grained control over access and spending. Workspace costs are ultimately paid with a Google Cloud Billing account by way of a Terra Billing project. Terra Billing projects act as a pass-through between Google and Terra, and let you manage funding on Terra. Assigning roles to collaborators at each level lets you control whether and how team members can spend money from a central funding source. The billing account tells Google where to charge for cloud resources. They are generally used to manage funding sources, with one cloud billing account per funding source. A grant admin or team member in charge of finance will set up the billing account on Google and link it to Terra. Cloud billing account owners and users can create one or more Terra billing projects under each billing account umbrella. Terra billing projects fund workspaces and let you track and manage cost categories entirely within Terra. Terra billing project owners and users can create workspaces funded by the linked cloud billing account. Workspaces are the most granular level to organize your work, manage access, track costs. Sharing workspaces and can allow collaborators to do work with a cost in the workspace. What they can do depends on their assigned role. All workspace costs are paid for by the linked cloud billing account via the Terra billing project. By adding colleagues, billing project members can empower others to charge to the billing project even if the colleagues are not themselves on the billing. In summary, there are 3 levels at which you can manage funding for your team. Google Cloud billing accounts are generally used by grant or finance administrators to manage funding sources, with one Google billing account per funding source. Terra billing projects let you manage funding for groups of workspaces on Terra. You can use them to group together related costs for easier tracking and management. Terra workspaces allow you to organize your work, and can also be used to provide fine-grained control over access and spending. To learn more, check out our other resources including online courses, videos and tutorials, and documentation at support.terra.bio. Thank you to everyone who contributed.